Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This $99 phone, whether it's $99 or if my promo code is now expired or whatever, this phone is 120 bucks tops, maybe. This phone is beast mode. This is the front camera of the A7 Pro from UMIDIGI. This front camera actually has a zoom with a one-time button. Check this out. Let me see if I can do it while I'm recording. Look at that. On the front camera, look at the quality too. You can do that on the rear as well. This is a nice wide angle lens on the front, and the rear is actually really good too. I'm kind of surprised. So I took some random shots throughout and outside, and I want to show them to you. I did some video, just real quick and real brief. A lot of you guys have been asking for this camera review, and I gotta tell you, I've been working on it. I just had a lot going on. But this front camera is actually beautiful. From what I can see in the viewfinder, I don't know how it's gonna look when I get it on the computer, but I guess I will. Well, now that you're watching this, I guess I'll say, what do you think? Audio, camera quality, it looks good in the viewfinder, but a lot of phones do this to me, and then I get them on the computer, and it's different. But what do you guys think about this footage right here coming from the UMIDIGI A7 Pro? Like, what do you think, man? Let me show you the rear real quick, and then I'll probably go outside or take some photos around the house. So let's take a look at the rear right here. All right, guys, so here's the rear camera in this same spot. You know, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say possibly this phone is rivaling phones like my Poco phone and just other phones I have in my catalog. I love how some of these phones come out and they have a really low price tag, but they shine in areas that I definitely don't think they're going to shine in. And I can tell you one thing, this freaking camera looks like the quality is going to be superb for 99 bucks. I was actually going to do a giveaway of this phone, but I don't know, man. This is actually probably a keeper, maybe later on down the line. Because I know you're probably thinking, Jay, you got 1,000 phones. Go ahead and give one away and help somebody out. I probably will do that. But this camera right now, while I'm doing these tests, oh my gosh. What do you think about this rear camera on this $99 phone from UMIDIGI, the A7 Pro? What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Let's go look at some photos, and then we'll close out.
Sonic.
Well, all right, there you have it. This phone, as I look through the viewfinder, it's a win, especially for 100 bucks. You know, the front camera has no focus hunting issues. The rear camera, obviously, I'm trying to record myself, so I don't have a viewfinder for the rear. So if I can get someone to record me and lock it on me, I think it would be great. And I also shot plants and just some other stuff. I think, you know, it's just, this is a really solid camera considering the price of the phone. Again, a lot of you guys asked for this video, and as promised, here I am. I just have a lot going on with phones right now, and other stuff, not just phones, but this is worthy of my time, you know, because this footage, it looks decent to me through the viewfinder. I mean, it looks good. It's a nice wide angle lens, and I think it's definitely worth taking a look at. I mean, UMIDIGI in the last 3 rotations of the phones the last 3 UMIDIGI phones that I purchased, they've all been impressive. The UMIDIGI 3 Power 3, I sold that one, gave it away. I might sell this device. I might give it away. I don't know what I'm going to do at this point. The S5 Pro, all these phones have proven to me that forget about the processor, forget about the name if you don't know it. Oh, there's a Chinese brand, You want a solid phone, man. You just got to get out there. And unfortunately, in the U.S., you don't have a lot of options. So that's why I've always been a fan of importing phones or buying phones from other markets that have at least the 2 or 3 bands that will get me LTE in the U.S. Perfectly fine with that. This phone right here, these cameras, you cannot sleep on these cameras. Yeah, they're not perfect, but I bet you they're better than some of your phones that cost 4 and 5 times the cost. I could name several. Let's just point a few out. OnePlus, even the Poco phone. I like this front camera better than the Poco phone. The Poco phone tends to blow out the highlights back here in the back. It can't even focus really good over here. But a lot of phones struggle with front cameras, and this is a phone that does not. In fact, this front camera is probably better than the rear camera. What do you think? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.